bit of number learning now. So we're going to start with a bit of counting. So let's count to 10. On the website, on our page, there is our counting song, the Pancake Manor one with the 2 puppets that count up to 10. They count to 5 and then on to 10. So I know you really like that, so you could watch that as well and just practice counting to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Practice making those different amounts with your fingers, okay? So if you put your hands behind your back, this is what we do in nursery, and then your adults could perhaps call out a number and you've got to show that amount of fingers. But what you need to do, you think about it behind your back first and get them ready, don't you? So I sometimes say 3, and then you have to show your 3 fingers. But you can show 3 fingers any way you want. You might want to do that and that and that. 3. Okay, and remember the easy way to do 9. You know that really well. So if I say 9, you put 10 up and take 1 away. Okay, and the easy way to make 4, remember we say that, put 5 up, take 1 away, makes 4. That's really, really quick. And then we even thought of a quick way to make 8, didn't we? So we put up 10. And then we just put our 2 thumbs down because 4 add 4 makes 8. So you could do a little bit of practice counting your fingers at home and showing those different amounts that go with the number names. Right, this week our learning is about shapes and space. So your job today, what I'd like you to do is try to make a bed for, if you've got a little object like that, I've chosen this little piggy. There are some small objects in the packs if you've picked up the packs, but I'm sure you've got something little that you could use. Okay, so here's the pig, and what I'm going to do, what I want you to do, is try to make your little animal or your little figure or whatever you're using a bed. Okay, so how are you going to make that bed fit? Or how are you going to make the pig fit in the bed? So you might want to look at the story of Goldilocks and the 3 bears as well with your adults, because that's all about the different sizes of the things when Goldilocks goes into the house. Some things are too small, some are too big, and some are just right. So that's what we're going to do today. So if you've got some boxes or containers at home, what I'd like you to do is to decide which containers are going to be perfect to make a comfy bed. So here I've got this little pot and I've got my Coca-Cola box, okay? Which one do you think would be best for the piggy? I think he'd be really warm and cozy in that one, wouldn't he? Because it's a bit smaller. If we put him in the box, the big Coca-Cola box, to go to sleep, watch this. He's not going to get a very good night's sleep in there, is he? He's probably going to get a bit of a headache and be a bit dizzy. And it's going to be cold as well. There's going to be lots of drafts because the space in there, look, there's just too much space for that little piggy. He's not really filling it, is he? So I don't think that one would be a good one. But this pot would be really, really good. It might even be perfect. So let's have a little look. We take the lid off. Like that. And then you could make, once you find a pot that's a really lovely size, you could make a little bed for them in there. I think this one's perfect. So that's what I want you to do. Much better, look. But you need to think about ways to measure your box to make it perfect for your little animal or whatever you're using. So it's about trying to make the bed nice and comfortable and not too big. Okay, so it's about measuring and trying to make sure that the space is a really good space for that little object. Okay, so I'd like to see any photographs that you can send me, that your mummies can send me or daddies can send me on Tapestry, or just have fun doing that and think about making a little bed for something at home. Okay, take care then, see you soon, bye.